Welcome to our video on the economic impact of chess. While chess is primarily known as a strategic board game, it has a surprising influence on the global economy. In this video, we will explore the various ways chess contributes to the economy, from promoting cognitive skills to creating job opportunities and boosting tourism. Let's get started. Chess is known for its cognitive benefits, and investing in chess education can have significant economic implications. Let's explore some of the ways chess promotes cognitive development and its economic impact. Chess improves players' problem-solving abilities, a skill that is valuable in many professions and industries. By investing in chess education, we can create a workforce better equipped to handle complex challenges and contribute to economic growth. Chess programs in schools have shown to improve students' math and reading scores by an average of 17%. Playing chess requires intense concentration and focus, which can carry over into other areas of life. A more focused and attentive workforce can lead to increased productivity and efficiency, ultimately boosting the economy. Chess also has a direct impact on job creation and business opportunities. Here are some examples. The demand for skilled chess coaches and instructors creates job opportunities for those with expertise in the game. Chess coaching can be a viable career path or a source of supplemental income for many individuals. The production and sale of chessboards, pieces, and related merchandise generate economic activity and create jobs in manufacturing, retail, and e-commerce. The growing popularity of online chess platforms and mobile apps has created business opportunities in the tech industry. This includes jobs for developers, designers, and other professionals involved in creating and maintaining these platforms. Another way chess contributes to the economy is through events and tourism. Let's take a closer look at the economic impact of chess tournaments and related activities. Major chess tournaments attract participants and spectators from around the world, generating revenue for the local economy through accommodation, dining, and other tourism-related expenditures. Chess events also help promote local businesses, as attendees often purchase goods and services from nearby establishments during their stays. Chess tournaments foster cultural exchange, as players and spectators from different countries come together to share their love for the game. This exchange can lead to increased international cooperation, tourism, and business opportunities. As an example, in the 2018 World Chess Championship in London generated over £2 million in ticket sales, and millions more were spent by visitors on accommodation, dining, and local businesses. Finally, chess has made its mark on popular culture and media, which in turn has economic implications. Chess has been featured in numerous movies and TV shows, generating revenue for the entertainment industry and increasing interest in the game. The recent success of The Queen's Gambit on Netflix led to a 215% increase in Google searches for chess and a 172% increase in sales of chess sets in the US. There is a vast market for chess books and publications, ranging from instructional guides to historical accounts and biographies of famous players. This market contributes to the publishing industry and provides income opportunities for authors and chess experts. Top chess players often receive sponsorships and endorsements from companies looking to capitalize on their success and popularity. This relationship benefits both the players and the companies, as it generates income and increases brand visibility. As an example, in 2020, Magnus Carlsen, the world chess champion at the time, earned an estimated $1 million from sponsorships and endorsements, including deals with companies such as Unibet, Kindred Group, and Microsoft. Here is a list of the richest players in the world. To better understand the economic impact of chess, let's dive into some numbers related to the global chess market. According to a recent report, the global chess market size was valued at nearly $2,200 million in 2022, and is expected to expand at a compound annual growth rate of 3.58% during the forecast period, reaching $2,700 million by 2028. This growth showcases the increasing interest and demand for chess-related products and services worldwide. In conclusion, chess has a multifaceted economic impact that extends beyond the board, from fostering cognitive development and creating job opportunities to boosting tourism and influencing popular culture. The game has far-reaching implications on the global economy. The growing chess market size also highlights the potential for further economic growth and investment in the chess industry. By understanding and leveraging this growth, we can continue to promote chess' positive influence on economies around the world.
Created using Powtoon.